How to Spray Paint by Krylon. In this video, we'll show you how to add a unique metallic, stone, or glitter finish to your next project with Krylon Spray Paint. Now let's get started. Before you begin, gather your materials. You'll need a drop cloth, plastic sheet or newspaper, lint-free cloth, protective mask, rubber gloves, and of course, your cans of Krylon. Next, lay down your drop cloth to protect your area. And always remember to spray paint in a well-ventilated space. We'll start by showing you how to achieve a gold finish with Krylon Metallic Spray Paint. First, shake your can of Krylon for 1 to 2 minutes. Then hold your can 6 to 8 inches away from your surface and spray from side to side. Make sure you overlap your sprays. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats and wait 15 seconds between each. Achieving a natural stone finish is just as simple with Krylon Stone Coarse Texture Spray Paint, and it can be used on a variety of surfaces. Be sure to shake your can before you spray. For best results, hold your can 8 to 10 inches away and apply several thin coats. Adding a fun, glittery finish to an ordinary surface is also a snap with Krylon Glitter Blast Spray Paint. Shake your can of Krylon before you start. Then shake again for 10 seconds after every minute that you spray. Hold your can 8 to 10 inches from your surface and apply a medium coverage coat. It's easy, and the spray paint does the hard work. Wait 1 minute between each coat, and you're done. That's all it takes to add a metallic, stone, or glitter finish to your next project with Krylon. What will you spray paint?